Hey, welcome to Dirty Sue Outdoors. Today, we're making lunch. On my $2, yeah, breakfast, not lunch. On my $2 Coleman propane stove.
Twofer.
Got it for $2 at a rummage sale. Can't pass it up. Oh yeah, got some taters all cut up. Something like taters on a beautiful day out here. Got this old Coleman grill here at a rummage sale for $2. So, steak and eggs and $2 Coleman propane grill today, boys. Wow. I think because I'm making this video about my Coleman $2 camp stove, that we should get this video to, like, I don't know, 25 likes, and we'll get my dad to make one of these videos, because my dad has 20 grills, I guarantee it. He literally finds them all the time, buys them up for cheap. Keep making videos of reviews on the cheap old school grills we find. Because this one's a unit. Got the steaks on. Tell you, devil spit seasoning, Famous Dave's. Probably the best seasoning you could ever put on steak. Look at that, boys. Wow. Wow. Don't that just look fantastic? Steaks are in the foil, resting. About to make our plates. Set this up on a time lapse. Juicy. Time to feast. I tell you, look at this. Well, for the $2 spent at a rummage for this bad boy, it's a unit. I'm gonna end up putting this grill in the back of my Jeep on a rolling surface so I can just pull it out and kind of cook wherever.
Hit my ride.
Hit my ride, camping edition. Can't beat it for $2.